Hello friends, welcome back. Now let's look at how to create a report and save it. All this while we have not saved the report. So we will now try to understand how to save the report, then how to publish the report and so on. Okay. Alright, so first step, let's go to Power BI. Then go for importing data. Let's select all files here and go to my Power BI folder here. Now you get a lot of options here. Let's go to chocolate sales. You can actually select any report. I'm just doing it for understanding how to save the report. Okay. All right. So let it get loaded. Okay. So now we have this particular data on our right side here, chocolate sales. And what we'll do is we'll take, let's say we can take a line bar. Okay. Once we have taken the line bar, we'll go to the country, take the country. Okay. So the country will be in x-axis. Go to y-axis now, and in y-axis what we can put is the sales amounts. Okay. So you can go for amounts and put it in y-axis. Now you see that you have got the sales of different countries. Okay. And one more thing, you can actually, as we saw in the last video, you can change the look and feel of the graph. So for example, here you can go for lines, and if you want to change the color of the line, you can try to do that, or even the width of the line. So if you see it's 3 pixel now, see if we can increase it. See, you can increase the line width or you can decrease the line width. Okay. So I think 3 was fine. And then if you go to color, here right now the color is blue. You can actually select the color you want as per your company policies. And then do we have shade area? Let us see what happens if I put shade area. Let's see what happens on. No, it's okay. So it's shading the area like this. So you can actually visually try to understand. So if you see the New Zealand sales is less and Australia sales is the highest. Okay. And then you have data labels. Like if you put it on, then you will get the data labels over here like this. Okay. And plot area background, these are another things like you can browse for the background image if you want, or you can bring it from your system. Now this we will take care of later. And so going back now, your report is ready here. Okay. So once you have the report, the next thing you want to do is you want to publish it. So you will have to click on publish here, and here it will ask you, do you want to save your changes? And you can say yes. Okay. And we'll call this file as uh, chocolate underscore sales underscore line, means it's a line graph. And you see the name of the file is pbix. Okay. And it's going to be saved under so you can click on more options. You can select where you want to save the file. Okay. So you can say browse this data, browse this computer, then go to pbi folder. Okay. You can create any folder that you want. All right. Okay. And so here it's asking again the name sales. Okay. Chocolate sales. No. So we'll have to give the name again here. We'll say country product sales, no, country sales line, and click on save. That's it. Now your file got saved, and you can see the name of the file also right here, country sales line. It tells where you saved it, when did you save it. Now let's see if I click on publish again. Enter the email address. Here it says Power BI desktop and Power BI service work together. Sign in to enhance your collaboration, access organizational content. Okay. So we'll come to what is the meaning of Power BI service and how we can actually share Power BI with other colleagues in a bit. So just to give you an example, if I go to a new website, if I go to a new window, okay, and if I write here app.powerbi.com, you see there is a complete web-based interface from Power BI, and that is Microsoft Power BI service, what we call it as. So one thing here is that, as I mentioned prior, you will have to be able to log into this, and for that you need a work account. In the sense, you should be a part of a company. And so, for example, if you see here, it's info@cloudinstitution.com. So personal emails cannot work here. That's a problem. Okay. So we are going to make use of this service, and you can look at it as a demo, and that's how you can actually collaborate with others, share the reports with others. Okay, so please try to do this example and save your file. Let's go ahead and meet in the next video for the further options available under Power BI. Thank you.